Salad Lyonnaise with poached egg on top. This is a salad that saved my life. Why? We were in Paris with my wife, we're having a terrible day, we're getting upset at each other until they served us the salad. And after that, I felt wonderful. As a matter of fact, I hugged her and I kissed her too. So, next time you're in trouble, this might be the salad you want to try. Let me show you how to make it. I would like to tell you that this is a salad I invented. Not true at all. We took an early dinner at one restaurant and I was scouting through the menu and there it was, Salad Lyonnaise. And for the first time, I wanted to see what it was. So let me share with you how to make the salad. The first thing is curly endive. Let me show you how I like to handle. I'm trying to be very selective. I cut the bottom that to us does no good, and then I spread all the leaves of the salad on the cutting board. And just like a little boy that's choosing his favorite toys, I choose my favorite leaves. So here it goes. Here I put my favorite leaves, and then I put the ones I don't like. As you see, I don't want to cut anymore. This is, in my opinion, absolutely splendid. This is a heart of romaine. For those of you who've seen romaine salads at the farm, you'll know that the romaine salad is much, much bigger. It's almost like this wide. But because of the transport, the storage, most of the leaves on the outside go bad. This is the core, the inner sanctum of it, so to speak. But still, not good enough for us. So I cut away this bit of it, and then I cut the back of it. Why? I would like to have the option to spread on my cutting board all that I like, and that'll give you a judgment of the leaves that you want to use. Look how much prettier the leaves are once they are on the inside. These leaves, to me, are gold. So what I like to do, I like to place these right here. There are some small ones that you can do, and then when you get to leaves like this, you have to consider what do you want to do. I want to cut this in half, so I take this half and I place it over there. Now we have a nice leaf like this. What do I want to do? I want to take the weak curlies out. Why do I call them weak curlies? That's a name I made up. But this gives you a much crunchier piece if you go right in the middle. It's almost like cutting the filet mignon out of a salad, which seems impossible, but it's true. This instead, look how nice and fluffy it is, nice and fresh. It was the inner core. So this one, I don't even need to cut the edges. That's good enough for a single serving. And now, let me show you how to make the dressing. The salad dressing is very simple to make because we are really counting in the making of this dressing on the power of the mustard. In this case, we have a nice deep grain mustard that we place right in here. Then a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. It is not the French way, but it's the way I like it. And then just a touch of lemon juice. And then a little bit of vinegar. White vinegar. It is at this point that you should ask yourself, you know, Nick, I love the idea of this, but wouldn't it be nice if it was sweeter? And you're right. And that's a pinch of brown sugar. This yin and yang between all the elements of the sour, the tart, the sugar, the sweet is going to be fantastic. Now, let's turn this into a nice dressing. And that's exactly what we want to do. Remember, a dressing becomes a dressing once the olive oil emulsifies. What does it mean it emulsifies? We're incorporating air into the oil. So the oil itself plumps up. As it plumps up, it thickens up, and here you see it. Look, before your very own eyes, you see how quickly this came? The little grains that are part of the mustard, these are fantastic ingredients. There are many ways that you can dress the salad. One of the fastest way is by using tools just like this, but these are the most beautiful tools. These tools, our hands, were given to us by God. And the reason why I like to do this is because I like to see all of the dressing covering the salad properly. An underdressed salad is almost like a bit of a cheat. And there we are. There's a wonderful element that I like to add at this point, croutons. You can make your own croutons or you can buy it at the store. The salad still needs a couple more additions, but they will be done at plating time. Right now, we have all the elements that we like. The last thing that I like to do is to put a little bit of pepper. Now, let me go wash my hands. When I come back, I'm going to show you how to elegantly plate the salad. You will love it. The romaine salad and the curly endive make a wonderful mix together. And I love placing them in here. And the stiffness that they have is just a structural thing that gives the salad a lift. beautiful to look at it this way. The dressing is a perfect complement, and it would be great the way that it is, exactly right here, right now. But there is something more that I want to do to the salad, and I want to add it while you're watching. Now, you've seen me before in one of my previous episodes. I showed you how to make poached eggs. This salad is famous in the city of Lyon for the usage of the poached egg. And here's a wonderful poached egg that we made earlier on, and we place it right here on top of the salad. But this is not the only addition that we have. The salad is the salad that keeps on giving. She keeps on going. So the next thing that we're going to do, if you have an extra few croutons, place them around. But the true element of beauty is going to be the pancetta. I have basically browned it, cooked it all the way through, and now this thing will melt into your mouth. And this one, I don't want to throw it. I just want to put it in as if there were little pearls. This is a salad that really eats like a meal. It has got the eggs. It's got the pancetta inside. Then the romaine. We've gone straight to the core. There's this personality of strength, this ambition, this willfulness. I know, I'm talking too much about a salad. Well, I think that everything that we do in life, especially when it comes to food, is a representation of who we are. And in my opinion, this is how you make the perfect Lyonnaise salad.